Are you sick of getting a full-time job that restricts you in all directions? Are you dreaming of having a profitable business that serves customers all over the world? Do you wish to change your life for the better once and for all? If it's all about you, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model that is available to everyone regardless of location, education, and so on. In a nutshell, it gives the entrepreneurs the following benefits. No investments, hence no risks. No need of background knowledge. No boss, no bureaucracy. No extra staff and stuff. No limits of expanding your business. And this is not the entire story. If you would like to learn more about the concept of dropshipping, keep watching. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. As a Canadian resident, you have all that it takes to start a dropshipping business smoothly and quickly. The opportunity to get in touch with your customers and suppliers 24/7 due to the stable internet connection that is available wherever you go and high level of mobile device usage. Globally trusted payment gateways, such as PayPal, 2Checkout, Stripe and others are available in Canada, which is why you can safely receive and manage your well-earned profits. The chance to define your target audience due to the national culture which lets you learn as much as possible about local residents and their ways of life. That's why as a Canadian resident you have an exceptional opportunity to start an interesting and promising business which is able to break geographic boundaries and let you run your venture on a global scale. Many Canadians have already started dropshipping and make a lot of money every day. So, what do you think about selling products to customers widely spread across the world, meanwhile, staying at home or other place of comfort? As we have just found out, Canada suits dropshipping perfectly. But why should you limit yourself and target your business in this country only? In fact, you may conquer the whole world. Due to the scheme of running a dropshipping business, you can deal with clients from all over the world. Whether it be a student from the US, or a freelancer from Europe, or a citizen of any other developed country. It's not necessary to make extra efforts because your country is optimized for e-commerce. It only remains for you to start a business and enjoy high income. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.